Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk-around video of our 2012 Vauxhall Corsa SE. This car comes with a 1.4 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, returning up to 44 miles per gallon. An insurance group of just 9, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 27,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular stunning colour is called Chilli Orange and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you'll see you've got a nice clean interior. The seats are leather on the outer edge. You've got the nice pattern going up the centre. Onto the dashboard, you've got your CD player there in the centre with FM radio, and this car also has air conditioning as well as cruise control there behind the steering wheel. And this the SE also comes with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, so ideal for the winter months. And then just down on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you have your automatic headlight control, so the headlights come on and off at night. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and front window controls. Being the 5-door version, nice and practical. So for a hatchback, you've got good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and there's pockets in the back of the front seats as well. And it's good to see the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from Vauxhall. And as you open the tailgate on the Corsa, you've got the nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have a full-size spare wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the twin spoke alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.